Hello! In this video, we will explain the workflow for generating a gait report. Start with the setup of the systems for the lower or full body measurements. Turn on the sensors by pressing the button and wait for the light to start blinking. Place the sensors on the straps and wrap the straps tightly to make sure they will not slip. For more information on the exact sensor placement, please view our placing straps and preparing hardware tutorial videos. Next, connect the Owinda dongle or station to the computer. With the hardware set up, it is time to measure the body dimensions. Measure the body height and shoe length. Based on these measurements, the system will scale the avatar. If your experiment requires very precise data, please see the body measurements tutorial for the steps to measure all body dimensions. Open the motion capture configuration window and insert the name of the subject in the orange bar. Select the correct suit configuration and make sure the scenario is set on single level. Insert the body dimensions and select OK. Now it is time to perform the calibration. Make sure that the person has his feet parallel pointing forward and is standing in an upright neutral position, the M pose. Select in the software the calibration type and click the Calibrate button. Start the calibration and follow the instructions of the software. Once the calibration is done, make sure that the person is standing in M pose facing the x-axis and apply the calibration. For the complete calibration workflow, please see our Calibrating Owinda tutorial video. Let the person walk around for 10 seconds to initialize the engine. Now it is time to record your gait file. Make sure to record at least 10 steps in the same direction without stops or turns. After the recording, open the file and generate the gait report with the MVN MotionCloud integration by clicking on the Report drop-down menu. The file will be processed and reported in the background. When your report is created, click the Refresh button to find your file in the MVN MotionCloud integration. Open the file via the three-dotted icon. The report will be directly opened in your browser. The first page of the gait report shows the gait parameters. The definition of the specific parameter can be found via the information icons. The second page shows the recording together with the gait graphs of multiple parameters. Thank you for watching this tutorial. For more information, please check our tutorial and knowledge base pages. In the need of support, please send an email to support@xsens.com.